I am sorry they were too quick for us. They escaped in the darkness.
You are lying! You have betrayed the Daleks!
No! I told you before. Those security guards are no match for humans.
You are a traitor to the Daleks! You must be exterminated!
Who knows? I may have helped to exterminate you.
We must pull them into the 20th century time zone! The peace conference must be destroyed! War must break out! The Dalek conquest of the planet Earth must not be reversed! Locate and destroy the peace conference! Exterminate! Destroy all human resistance! Exterminate! Exterminate! Destroy the peace conference!
Brigadier to all units, let them pass. I say again, let them pass. Regroup on the main road. Out!
Eliminate all humans! Exterminate! The human delegates are inside the house! Enter and destroy! Where are the delegates? Where is the man Styles? They must be found and exterminated!
Oh no. But this time it's going to be different.